Okay. It's me and this slut.
Slut. See, I can't keep my legs closed.
That's for sure. Well, I decided to share my new cameras need to see this. This is rated R. This is
for Curtis who calls
this
me
is a
PG-13
video.
This is gonna be rated R.
G video. Rated G.
Ooh, Randy.
Hey, whoa! Get your head out of there.
Pretty lovely down there. Nice wife and pink. You know, boys.
Okay, that's
how
gross.
you like it.
That's sick. That's fucking disgusting. Okay.
Disgusting. Word of the day today is disgusting.
Huh? What? Oh, the word of the day. Okay, guys.
Coochie cooch.
My coochie is getting scoochy. Okay.
Bumper cherries.
Oh my god! Okay, that was a freaky thing.
Bumper
No,
cherries.
we're not doing bumper chairs. Alright, we're doing bumper chairs.
Oh.
You're a fucking bitch. Okay. Alright. What we're gonna do is we're gonna talk mad shit on one person. Who should we talk mad shit on?
Kayla. Gosh, she's such a...
Kayla, Ruth, Cervantes. The roof is on fire! Okay, sorry, that's an old family thing because this is my family, my sister right here. Okay. Not that close. Anyway, we're gonna talk shit on somebody, like somebody bad that goes to our school that we don't hang out with. That we hang out with, but we don't like we can't talk shit on Kayla, you know. Somebody that'll actually watch this video.
Coming.
Oh, I know that you guys. Welcome to the show already. Get your tickets now because they're sold out, motherfucker. All right, go try it.
It's not working.
Oh my god, that was so embarrassing. I think people want a refund. Anyway, okay, we're gonna talk shit on one person. Who should we talk shit on? Back in session, I guess. Anyway,
I could taste that dinner.
I don't care. I wanted to.
Let's just not talk shit.
Well, then what are we gonna do?
We are going to...
This episode's really boring, guys. I'm sorry. We're gonna talk about Swisher Sweets and how bad they are for you. For you little cigarette smokers and cigar taker-inners, whatever. No, we're not gonna talk about that
after
because
you smoke them and you lick your lips, oh my geez, it's orgasmic.
it's pretty good. Oh, I wouldn't know. Anyway, see this marker right here? Ryan Sheckler masturbated with this marker. He shoved it in his pussy. The only reason I would know is because I was there. And you wish you were. But you weren't. But I'm totally just lying right there because Ryan Sheckler, first of all, doesn't have a pussy, and second of all, would masturbate in front of me. Anyway.
I'm texting her, but every guy who masturbates.
Not in front of me!
Yeah. Didn't you see Kyle earlier?
Star. Oh my god, I'm a star. Star that has no more shine left in it. Anyway. We need to come up with a serious topic right now. Like, PJ's old cell phone is way outdated and needs new one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's for sure. All sketched up. Do you know that I, like, dropped it in the toilet?
Like 4 times.
But not that one. Not that one.
Jessica Rabbit. You know Jessica Rabbit? Like my little diary. How cute. Oh,
Body shaped just like a Coke bottle.
Oh, they're cute. Anyways.
Do you remember that song? Yeah, you remember.
And I'll call, and I'll fall that ass to the mouth. Oh, remix. Are you ready for this shit? Mine and PJ's remix for this,
I'm
right?
not really just Jesse Gonzalez, I love you. She's my lover. Sexy can I just find my manners, girl? How you shake it, got it ready like, oh, it's a Kodak moment. Let me go and get my camera. All I wanna know is PJ, can I hit it from the front? Can I hit it from the back? Know you like it like that? Then we take it to the bed, then we take it to the floor, then we chill for a second, then you shake that some more.
Okay, new song. No. 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 Oh, hell no. Oh, I love this song. I don't know if anybody else liked it. It's kind of nobody knows it. Nobody, I guarantee.
Sorry, I just took Kool-Aid. By the way, my house is done for Kool-Aid.
And Pop-Tarts.
Well, you haven't had Pop-Tarts in a while.
Well, shut up.
We have our Pops.
We know of an ancient radiation that haunts dismembered constellation. Oh. Anyway, we're gonna play a game, okay? You say the first word, I say the second word. Go.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sure.
You.